Alright, a little update, I guess. We got this side connected, this side connected. I left like I guess you could say a little slack in it, but I don't have no crazy bends or nothing like that. Now I just got to connect the return. As you can see, I got hella of this left. Hold on. I got hella of this left, so all I gotta do is connect the return. I'm running a standalone fuel pump harness because, one, that's what the fuck I want to run, and I don't feel like running that shit to the harness. So I got a standalone coming. It's stuck in customs right now because it came from Canada, but shit, yeah, hold on. I did like DZ did. I got my separator right here. I got a clamp right here. I got another separator about right in this area. And then I got another one like right in this area. I got a clamp like right here. And I got a clamp in this area. Might clamp it down somewhere in this area. But that's today's update. Gotta leave because my daughter wants to go play with her cousins. So shit, I might come back later though and connect this return. Seeing that I figured out how to do this shit without having to go all the way back over there to that goddamn vise. But that is my update for today. Made some decent progress. Oh, I gotta find my fucking those cool tool fittings. I damn sure dropped it under the car. But yeah, so I got my line to the fuel rail. Got my line coming from the pump. I just gotta do my return.